हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू नीरजाज एल्गोरिथम। आज जो मैं टॉपिक ले रही हूँ जो कि है डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन, जिसका नाम सुनते ही मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स की हवाइयाँ उड़ जाती हैं। लेकिन आज जब आप मेरा वीडियो देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा वाओ, इट्स ऑसम। इतने इजी ट्रिक्स हैं ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन के, तो मेरा वीडियो आप पूरा देखें स्टार्टिंग से लास्ट तक। Let's start. One, 0 to n. This is not a square bracket. This is the greatest integer function of x into dx. The integration will be n into n minus 1 by 2. This greatest integer fraction. My video will come. You will understand what is the greatest integer function. But now you should understand the integration of that. This is easy way to integrate it. Now I am taking some questions 0 to 5. If I am taking like this, see how simple it is. This become 5 into 4 by 2. हो गया ना आपका? Understood? Now the second one is also 0 to n square by 0 to n square integration of greatest integer function of root x into dx. What will be the result? N into n minus 1, 4n plus 1 by 6. This is the direct integration of this. We will take one of the example also. 0 to 25, if I am taking like this into dx. Now 25 means I can write as 5 ka square, correct? That means it become 5 into 5 minus 1, 4 into 5 plus 1 by 6. Now when you simplify 5 minus 1 into 4, 4 5s are 20, it become 21 by 6. 2 2s are and 2 3s are, 3 1s are and 3 7s are, 5 2s are 10, 70 is my answer. आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा वाओ सो सिंपल, नहीं तो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन का साइन देखकर ही हवा हो जाता है. नाउ इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. नाउ थर्ड वन इज माइनस n to n. ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शंस इंटीग्रेशन इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ 2n. आई एम रिपीटिंग द थिंग कि आपको यहाँ पर लिमिट्स चेक करनी पड़ेंगी. विदाउट कोई भी लिमिट हो और वी कैन डू दिस रिजल्ट, नो. जो what I am writing, it is specifically, it is that only, it should be that only. Like I am taking one of the example minus 2 to 2. If I am integrating this part, what will be the result? Minus 2 into what is your n? 2. Answer is minus 4. मस्त 1 second में आपका आंसर आ गया. Now fourth one is 0 to n x minus greatest integer function of x. The whole part is called as the fractional part. The integration will be n by 2. Let's take one of the example. 0 to 5, it become 5 minus of this like into dx. I am getting my answer in 1 second. That is 5 by 2. है ना मस्त? Make a note. Now this is the fifth one. 0 to 2n pi. 0 to 2n pi. Greatest integer function of sin x plus cos x is equal to minus of n pi. We will take some of the example. 0 to, let it be, I will take it 4 pi. Fine. Now it is same thing, sin x plus cos x into dx. Now what is your n here? N is your 2 because it is 2n pi. So I will write here 2 into 2, correct? So the thing is n is 2 here, so it become minus 2 pi. Make a note. 0 to pi by 2 sin mx cos nx into dx. Again please check the limit. 0 to pi by 2. M and n are powers. I wrote it here. The formula is m minus 1, m minus 3 till it is going, n minus 1, n minus 3 till it is going. Denominator will be m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4 till it is going into k. What is that k? K is pi by 2 if m and n are even, but k is equal to 1 otherwise. The meaning of otherwise is either one of the even or odd, or either both are odd. That means of the otherwise. This is called as the Wallis theorem. What it called as the Wallis theorem. It is very important. Let's take some of the example according to that. 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 6x cos to the power 4x into dx is equal to. Now both, check it once, m and n are even. Now it will be 6 minus 1. I am writing 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. I cannot go beyond that, because if I am doing, so it will be more than that 6. I need to stop there. And coming to the next one, that is 4. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. I cannot go beyond that. It will be more value and negative will come. Now you understood what I wanted to say. Now the down part is 6 plus 4 into 6 plus 4 minus 2. 10 minus 2. I am writing now here 10 minus 4. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 8. Stop there, because after that 10 minus 8 we need to stop there, into pi by 2. Why pi by 2? Because 6 and 4 are even. I got my answer in 1 or 2 seconds. 6 minus 1 is 5 into 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Similarly, down part, please solve it. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 2 into pi by 2. You can simplify what you can cut it. I am like this. It will be this 3 2s are, and you can cut anything. No. The answer will be 3 by 2 8s are, sorry, 8 and 8 64 and 64 4s are. What will be 2 5 6 into pi by 2. That's your answer. Now this is the next question. 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 5 cos to the power 4x into dx. आप लोगों ने क्या चेक किया कि एक पावर इवन है and one other power is odd. तो यहाँ पर हम which one we will do? Only the thing is that कि in place of pi by 2 I will write 1. Let's start with that. 5 minus 1, same process we will do. 5 minus 3. I need to stop there, because अगर मैं next वाला part लिखूंगी तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. The same thing here. 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 3. अगर मैं next part लिखूंगी तो it will be a negative. Need to stop there. Now the down part is 5 plus 4 9, and you need to subtract like a even numbers. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now 9 minus 6. After that what should I write? 9 minus 8. But I need to stop there, क्योंकि इसके बाद आपके पास negative 1 आएगा. Into k. k का वैल्यू मुझे 1 लिखना पड़ेगा, because यहाँ पर एक पावर even और एक पावर odd है. Need to simplify it. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Similarly 9. 9 minus 2 7. 5 and 3. Like this into 1. कुछ cancel होता है तो you can cancel it. और यहाँ पर देखिए कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है, नो. तो वॉट एवर द रिमेनिंग टर्म, इट्स योर आंसर. डन. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप आप सबको बहुत पसंद आया होगा, क्योंकि बहुत डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक था और इतने इजी वे में अगर हम इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं तो आई एम डैम श्योर कि आप सब ने बहुत पसंद किया होगा. एंड इफ यू लाइक माई चैनल, प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. 1 सेकेंड लगेगा. लाइक भी करिए, सब्सक्राइब भी करिए और कमेंट भी डालिए, क्योंकि आपके कमेंट्स मुझे मोटिवेट करेंगे। थैंक यू।